Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then just drag this section at the bottom of the page up to enable other functions. And then just click on the settings button at the account and settings section. And at the general section, just click on the appearance button. And within this section, look for the theme button, and as you can see, you can set the theme to light, dark, and then there's an auto mode as well, which will adapt the appearance based on sunrise and sunset. So for example, if you want to use the dark theme, then just click on that, and as you can see, the background has already changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.